going on, guys? It's Raj here, and today we are going to be doing the unboxing of my Apple Watch Ultra 2. So right here we have my brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max that I unboxed in the last video. So if you guys didn't see that, please be sure to check that video out first before this one. So without further ado, we are going to rip this on open. So that is all ripped open here. We're going to rip this one open here as well. Perfect. We're going to open up this bigger box here first. Sweet. And then we are presented with the Apple Watch Ultra 2. I'm going to open up this box here as well. And then in here I have the other band that I have as well. This is the Milanese loop. This is the Graphite Milanese loop. So quite nice there. Okay, and then we are going to go ahead and do this here as well. Let's see. Okay, so then at this point we're going to unbox the new Apple Watch Ultra 2. I have this nice little booklet here. And then here is the watch, along with the blue Alpine loop that I got with it. And there she is. And then this is just the design by Apple in California with the coordinates, and it has the charging cable in there as well, which I'm not going to use because I already have a charger. Then here is the Apple Watch. All right, we're going to set the box off to the side, and then I'm going to first have the Milanese loop that I actually try on here. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox that. And then here it is. It's a very nice and exquisite looking band. All right, so that is the Milanese. This is the blue Alpine loop. I'm going to try this one on as well. So those are our two band styles. And we're going to set those off to the side, and then the moment of truth. And there she is, in all of her glory. And then I am going to first put on the Milanese. Pairing this Milanese with it is going to look so nice. Okay, then we have it turning on. This is the Alpine loop, the blue Alpine. Honestly, I think the blue Alpine looks pretty cool too, but the Milanese loop is pretty great too. Okay, let's put this new camera system to the test. Sweet. Love how the band is matched there too. Even though it's, not on the watch, but... But great. Looks like we are connecting to the Apple Watch. Looks like we're almost there. And we're going to agree to the terms and conditions. And we're going to create a passcode. I'm going to not show you guys that part. Sweet. And then we have all the safety features. And we're not going to set up any cellular. But yeah, just to give you guys a sense of comparison to the Apple Watch that I have right now, this is my existing Series 8, if you set them side by side. So definitely a nice upgrade there. I have the 45mm Series 8. And we're going to add those cards for Apple Pay. I'm going to go ahead and add this card here. Looks like we're just waiting for that to set up for Apple Pay. Perfect. All right, looks like it has been added. And then we're going to click next on that. Awesome. And then we have the action button. Let's see what we want to map that to. Let's map it to workout. And then open depth when submerged. We have driving safety, or diving safety, I should say. And then welcome to Apple Watch. Sweet. Looks like we are already all synced up and ready to go. Now we're going to say not now on that. Have the same faces still. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. And then we have all the other Apple Watches on here, which I can always pair those later. And then let's just go ahead and make sure here that all the software is up to date. It looks like it does have a software update, so I'm going to go ahead and update its software. But beyond that, that is the Apple Watch. And if you guys enjoyed this unboxing of it, please be sure to leave a like, also comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.